Hey guys, my name's David Layfelt and welcome back to my channel. This video is about how to remove the door handles, the outer door handles, from your AE86 Corolla. I didn't know how to do it once upon a time, and for some reason I had a really hard time with it. I just took one out of one of the doors and it wasn't hard at all. I thought I'd make a quick video just to show any of you that might have to do it in the future, or you've tried to do it and for some reason couldn't do it like I couldn't. So this is how you remove the door handles, exterior, from your AE86. Obviously what I'm talking about, you got your lock and your door handle. On the back of this, so on the inside of the door, you've got two 10mm bolts. Now what we're looking for here, guys, are these two bolts. One, there's one on that side just there. We need to pop those off, and then if we can get the camera in there, there's a little plastic clip. See if you can see my finger up the top, just there. It's clear, it sits in the camera. It looks just above, up the back there. I'll try and get a better angle of it. We need to pop that off it because that's holding it onto where there's a little rod that comes through. We also, obviously, for our purposes, want to take the door lock out so that we can paint properly. So what I'm doing here is actually popping the little rod and the plastic clip separate first, because the rod's actually blocking the way of the final bolt that needs to come out. So if you push the connector that way, it'll pop off the rod nice and easy, and then lift the rod up this way, and it should pop out. And that's the rod popping out without breaking anything, which is a bit of success in its own right. Disconnected, there's this little rod here that sits inside it. It needs to be popped up and out from underneath the clip. It's like a big silver sort of backside to the handle. And once we've done that, this should keep that out of the way. Pop right out. And that's how to remove your door handle from an AE86.